Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use slicer with column chart in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So here I'm going to convert this data in table first. Simply select the data and you can press here the shortcut key Ctrl plus T to convert this data in table. Here you can see the small dialog box is open, create table. Range here automatically selected. After that just click on OK to convert data in table. Okay, now simply select the data and go to the insert tab. In charts group, click on the column charts. Okay, select the first 2D column. So I select here the first one. You can see the chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. Okay, now here I'm going to add the slicer also. For that, just click on the data and go to the table design tab, and here in tools group, click on the insert slicer. Just click on the slicer and here select the slicer. So I select the month-wise slicer. I want the month-wise slicer and click on OK. And here you can see the monthly slicer is added with the column charts. Okay. Now, when you click on the any month, suppose I click on the March and see the changes here. The data is filtered with the column chart also changed accordingly filter data. Okay. If you want to select the multiple column, simply hold the control key, then select the second column and third column and just see here the data is filtered as accordingly column chart also changed. Okay, only for 3 months. So this is a way you can use the slicer with the column chart in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.